Over the years, I have come to realize that pursuing the higher teachings without a foundation in ngöndro is akin to building a castle in the air. A solid foundation, understanding impermanence, karma, and samsara is essential for keeping practice on the right path. Only in this way will your practice remain on track. Some seasoned practitioners I know are so fearful of suffering in the lower realms that they often reflect. In contrast, today's practitioners seem less preoccupied with this question, which is misguided. Although I may not have practiced well, I do fear being reborn in hell. Sometimes when I read about certain mantras that can prevent a negative rebirth, I feel a great sense of relief and immediately begin to recite the mantra. Recently, I reviewed my old notes and came across a mantra. The great Jignin Phuntsok Rinpoche mentioned that reciting this mantra could prevent us from being reborn in the lower realms. I was so pleased that I recited it for quite some time. I did this because I believe that in this life and in my previous lives, I must have committed numerous misdeeds that could lead to rebirth in hell. However, now I can avoid a negative rebirth through the recitation of the Buddha's names and mantras, as well as by engaging in Dharma practice. This is the most reliable way to ensure a good rebirth, so I must practice diligently.